bag, so it's really small for me, and I'm looking forward to be able to tap clients within Cebu, Visayas, and Mindanao area who are, also speaking the language, or, who are into a province life already. It's nice because um, what I learned in staying here in Cebu is that, having a laid back life, kind of life, is not just refreshing, but it also gives you like a better, clearer view of how life should be. I know, maybe that's one of the factors that there are a lot of rich people in provinces. Kasi hindi magulo yung utak nila, parang hindi ganun ka komplikado. I'm not saying wala silang problema, but in comparison to those who are living in, like, let's say Manila or Metro Manila, I think we have a like better setup here in Cebu, ganyan. So anyway, welcome to my channel. Another day, another trade or trader, depends on the day. So today is still Tuesday. Market will open at 9 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. 9 9 to 3 pa din siya. And I have I was I don't know what I was sa market for quite some time, and because I moved to Cebu and started a new life here. But maybe my experience in stock market and trading floor, and being a person who was able to attend, an analyst was able to attend different stock market meetings, stockholders meetings, analyst briefings. As a technician, also making reports to be sent to the clients, and so maybe there's still some stuff that I can share with you, or kanang murag basin ma-encourage ko kayo nga ko kamo nga mo invest, but always be cautious, trade at your own risk, trade money that you can risk, and before all of that, get a Pru Life insurance with us. So, Pru Life insurance with us, if you are, if you have Sobra, you can also get a Pru Life insurance with us. You can send us the details. I can give you the code. I can explain it to you through a recorded video so you don't get pressured to talk to me. And when you're ready, and I hope that won't be like 1 year or 2 years, because the premium would change as you age. So ayun. So parang pinaka basic talaga is that you have the insurance and you have the emergency fund. Then you get to pay your bills. You don't have that much debt. Yun. Plus if you have extra that you're willing to risk, because everything naman is a risk, diba? So let's say if you are going into, let's say, traditional stuff, traditional traditional businesses. So ang mangyayari naman dyan ay you're going to risk pa din your money and hope that that as you work hard it will also pay off, but still you still risk your money, diba? So this is still the same. And what they say is that you don't have to pay for the, like, yung mga rental cost, yung payments sa empleyado mo, and then if you have a good stock, you can earn as much as if the rule still applies, the maximum that a stock can go up in a day is at 50%. So, realistic would be 5 to 10%. But if there are news, or there are news that they will be, disseminating in coming months, mataas jud siya. Or mataas or mo ubos siya, depends on the gravity and the effect of the news to the people. But ano ba, ang na-realize ko karon nga, since I am not, this is Mega World Corporation. So we're just randomly checking them. Hi, okay lang ng AI. But yeah, they have it, and it's scary because everyone's utilizing AI, and although they're useful, parang, well, diba, there's still that big chances that AI ka is that it will replace your job and whatnot. So we have here Mega World. This is the chart. This is what is being utilized by those using technical analysis. So you have here the indicators, volume profile, support and resistance, weeks. Try natin yan minsan, pero ayaw pa magbayad. Fibonacci, multi-chart, try for 30 days. Ha? Magkano ba to? 99. Okay. Ano ba Gcash? Pwede naman. Sige, sige. I'll go back. I'll open one of these days. Kasi I'll be utilizing it as, yan. So we can maximize this here. Actually, they got it from may app to eh. This is, ano ba to? Trading View. Yan, Trading View nga. So this is where they get the technicals, the charts, and then the quotes they got it from the PSE, and they are paying for it also. So that's why if you will be utilizing this one, they will be asking also for you to pay somehow, diba? If you want to access the premium perks that they are offering, because they are also paying for these, and it's fair naman kasi naman hindi naman substandard what they're offering. And I know the people behind Instagram. I know some of them. I was able to meet them some when we were having an exam in SEC for Certified Securities Representative. Yeah, CSR pa before. Pero parang iba na yata name or same pa. Basta before kasi, we only need to take one exam, and then when we pass it, and ganyan-ganyan lang. Right now, it's more, yeah, they have like phase one and phase two already. And for you, that like the phase one is yung medyo, medyo like general. Like, if you're able to pass the phase one, which is already hard na, you can get, you will be eligible to take the phase two, which will determine if you will be a stockbroker or a mutual fund advisor. So, ganun. Iba-iba pa. And ayun, so we have here the for screenshot, snapshot, full screen mode. Yeah, we have the full screen mode. And we can also change this. This is line. This is line. Ayan, hindi ko na alam paano gawin. Ah, ayoko niyan, masakit yan sa ulo. Tsaka na tayo maganyan. Multiple charts. Ah, hala, paano nga ulit ito baguhin? Wait. I can do this, I can do this. This is the, duration. They have here an hour per hour. Pero gusto ko siya baguhin into, dito ba? Ayan, naka-line nga siya. Paano pag ayoko ng line? Like, gusto ko mag-candlestick. Hala. Hindi ko alam paano gamitin to. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, see. Ha! High and low. Let's try this. Okay. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari ba? Wala, line chart pa din siya. Oh my god, if you're using this, if you're also using this, utilizing invest, please let me know how can we change this, or if you're, if this is even possible to change it into other video. Yun nga, kasi this is line chart. You also have candlestick. I like candlestick. It's really nice. But if you can see, you have here the, pwede mo din pa siyang ano, sila na magpa-plot. Pero dahil mahirap pa tayo at hindi pa tayo nakakabili ng anik-anik, paano tayo maglagay ng line? Here, to chart. So, paano tayo maglagay ng line? I have to know this. Anyway, looking here, this is the previously the strong resistance, and this is the previously strong support. So this has been, this is only for Jan, from Feb lang nga this year. Tapos nag-bounce, bounce, 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 bounce. So, nag-breakout siya at 186, running 1.97. Ideally, we would have been buying it at 1.74. 1.74, 1.97, ilang, may ano ba yun? Yung iba may ano like kung ilang percentage siya. Oh, let's check. 1.74, 1.97, that is divided by 1.74. It's around 13%. So it's been up 13% for this June. So nag-breakout siya ng 1.80s. Yeah. Ang highest niya, let's say, ang highest niya so far is 6, around 6. So, yeah, that's how it works. So, yeah, this is a good one, but it has already broken its resistance. So, ideally, with technicals, you are to, ayun o, medyo, ito talaga yung support niya. Ideally, dito yung next niya, and then, ideally, it would be going after this next. So the concept would be to test the previous prices where there are a lot of buyers or a lot of sellers. So these are the areas where there are a lot of buyers, and there are a lot of buyers is here because it's a support area. A lot of sellers would be here because it is the resistance area. So there are I know a lot of really good trader who does support and resistance, and you will really like them kasi it really works It really works talaga. So, wait lang. I'm looking at we'll try to take a video of this. Hopefully, we'll get to, yeah. So, hindi ko lang paano ko siya i-cut. Hello guys, this is Stock Market. We were doing Mega World charts, technical analysis. As I have said, this has been a strong support, and it has broken its resistance at around 1.80s. Previously, ang pinakamang malalayo niyang resistance dito na, and historically, ang pinakamataas niya is around how much? Historically, since 1994, is around, parang kanina, 6 pesos yun. Ayan, 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 ayan. So, 5 pesos. Pero parang before, parang matagal naman na talaga siyang tumaas. You will get to, yeah. Kasi hindi ko lang. Ayan. So, please subscribe and like my channel and share it to maybe to your friends. I'm not I'm not eyeing to become like a guru or something. I just really want to find myself doing this again. I know mas maraming katulad ko ngayon na hindi nakakaalam na, I mean, that they didn't, di sa, I mean, hindi naman ako walang alam eh. It's just like that I do not prioritize doing this. Even though I have money, parang I was looking at different opportunities pa. But I can say that I've been more into real estate and insurance this year, and I really want to hopefully look into it, see the opportunities that it is offering, and I know how it works naman. And yeah, I just hope that I could reach a lot of people para medyo mo taas mo dako yung volume, because you know we are so liquid, and yeah, that's why there are a lot of big players, or those who they really want to like accumulate a parang certain amount of shares. Nag-ano talaga sila, ilang ano pa yan, ilang months, ganyan. I will share those experiences with you in coming months. So please like and share. And if you're interested to open your insurance, please message us at Bisaya Investor TV and Facebook. So yeah, just ask us kung ano, what details that you should be providing. Then siguro give us around 2 to 3 business days and we'll process it for you. No pressure, no hindi, I won't sell stock you or stuff, because I know naman we're both busy. You are busy, I am busy as well. And I want you also to be really, I want you also to be, really, really decided, and I want to be responsible with your finances and your financial decisions. Yung hindi lang na parang, oy, na-sales talk kasi niya ako kasi maganda yung pagkakasabi niya. No, it's not like that, um, because agents may come and go, and there are a lot of insurance companies and stuff, and parang it's really important that no matter what happens, you know what you bought, diba? Alam mo kung ano yung binili mo, alam mo kung anong coverage mo, alam mo kung saan ka na magtatanong pag, for example, lumipat na ng insurance company yung agent mo and stuff like that, because it's normal, it happens, diba? Ayun. So that's Mega World. We'll try to look for another one. Let's try Meralco. So Meralco for today is option 2, 50 pesos, I think. So that's 0.47%. Pero masyado na siya mahal. So 500 na rin siya. I'll show you in coming days kung ilan yung minimum na pwede mong bilhin kapag ganito na yung prices. And again, if you want to open, you can open a stock market account through your GCash. But if you want like a traditional broker houses, na merong support talaga, I could recommend several brokerages, but specifically, it's good to be able to open in Eastern Securities and Global Links. in BGC. So there, walang ano, oh my God, walang line. Usually we could be able to put like some line here, tapos line there, tapos makikita natin yung trend going up, ganyan, ganyan. And hopefully that it will follow that trend, ganyan. So, pinakamataas niya ever is, oh, yun na pala. So, mataas na pala talaga to. Imagine, way back, 13 pesos lang siya, tapos ngayon nasa 500 na siya. And Meralco naman kasi is a, utility stocks. I mean, that this is really something that is being used by a lot of people and they can't live without. So, yeah. Medyo kalaban lang siguro nila dito yung mga taxes, yung mga um, government government rules, government memorandums that would affect their businesses. But basically, the business itself, since it is, something na ginagamit talaga ng tao, I think this is really, this is fundamental, this is strong. And yeah, it's like Globe or PLDT na like kailangan din ngayon, especially working from home, mga ganyan-ganyan students, 'di ba? They need really good internet provider and stuff. Kaya medyo tumaas na rin yung price niya. Who knows? Who knows? Like the prices of Meralco and Meralco and Globe is like 2,000 to 3,000. Ganyan. And this is just 500. So, kung mabot siya, let's say 1.5, so that's like triple your money. But as to when, that's something I can assure you. But they have here the returns in percentages. So in 3 years, they have like a 50, almost 50% return, which is an average of 15% per month, per annum for 3 years. So it's really nice, no? Than just putting it in the bank. Plus, they also have, I think they have dividends naman. Then, ayun guys, if you want to open again Life Insurance, please feel free to message us at Bisaya Investor TV. And yeah, please ask us with the details that we might be needing, and we'll send you the proposal. And I hope you would consider getting one before getting into the stock market. And if you already have an insurance and you want to go directly to the stock market, please like and share na lang this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks.